All right, boys and girls, this lesson you are working on page 59 and you are going to be writing equations and solving problems, and they're going to be word problems. So this means you are going to need to be really paying attention to how your question is being asked. Is it going to be a multiplication or is it going to be a division? So one of the other things, though, I want to backtrack just a minute is to go back to your book, and if you have not cut out all your strategy cards from a lesson 11 on page 50, it's all the page 51A, B, C. I want you to go ahead and go back and do that, because that is how you're going to be building your fluency. And I want you to concentrate this week on building fluency with the number 9. So, but coming back here to making sense of our word problems. All right, so let's take a look here. The garden shop received a shipment of 12 rose bushes, and they arranged the rose bushes in 3 rows with the same number of bushes in each row. How many rose bushes were in each row? All right, so what are we dealing with? What are they asking us to do? Okay. So if you look here, our what we are working with is 12 rose bushes, and we want to put them in 3 rows. So that means we have to have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. But how many is going to go into each one of those rows? So we're going to take this 12 and we need to divide it apart so that they are in 3 equal rows. So when we do that, that means that our number is going to start off with 12, because we are going to divide 12 into 3 different rows. So this is how we're going to set up, this is how we'll set up our equation. And now we have to look for the product. Remember, the product is the end, the total, the sum. And we don't know what that is. So we're going to put a placeholder there just for the moment to find out. And this time we're going to use a letter, and let's use the letter A, just because. All right, so 12 divided by 3 equals A. Well, we have to figure out what A is. So how are we going to know how to divide 12 into 3 equal spots? So if we remember our 3 count bys, so if we're going to divide 12 by 3, we have to count up until we get to the 12. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12. So we are using our count by 3s to backtrack to the number 12. So how many times did I have to count by 3 in order to reach 12? I did 1, 2, 3, and 4. So A would equal 4. Okay? So they are asking you to write the equation and solve the problem. So you would write down here the equation, okay? And then you are going to write give the solution for the letter A there. Okay, and you're going to do that all the way down. And if you have any problems, I want you to make sure that you drop in to my office hours.